Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I'm going to make something sweet. The recipe you're going to love. Today I'll share an easy and delicious dessert recipe. So in today's recipe I'll introduce how to make the tasteful and colorful vermicelli custard dessert. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, I have taken a pan and placed it on a stove. With that, I'm taking half cube of unsalted butter and 2 cardamoms. With that, I'm going to add half cup of colorful vermicelli. I'm going to give it a stir with the help of a wooden spoon. A wooden spoon is much preferred because it does not get that hot. If you're going to use a steel spoon, it will get hot with the passage of time. So you can also use oil instead of butter. We just have to give it a fry, let it fry. And if you don't have butter available around you, and I've added cardamom for like the fragrance, to give it a better fragrance. You can also add cardamom seeds. If you don't like cardamom seeds, you can just grind them and add into your mixture. With that, I'm taking 1.5 cup of milk. It's not a cup, but it's basically a mug, so you can say it a big cup. I'm going to give it a stir it quite well. You can see the color has changed to be brown. It should be. Do not turn the flame too high or too low, it should be medium. Now I'm going to add sugar, about 1 cup, and now I'm going to give it a stir as well. Unless this sugar dissolves properly into your mixture. So just because of the heat, sugar will dissolve quickly. So give it a stir about for 3 to 4 minutes, and after that just wait for it to get boiled. You can see you just have to wait for once it's gonna get boiled, we're going to move on to our next procedure. With the passage of time, you'll see the vermicelli turn out a bit thick. With the help of a spoon, the spoon I'm using, I'm going to take a few pieces of it out of the mixture and gonna test it if it's turned out a bit thick. If it's turned out a bit thick, we're going to move to our next procedure. I've taken half cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of vanilla custard powder, and I'm going to mix it quite well so there are no lumps into my mixture of milk. And once it's done, once the vanilla custard is dissolved into our milk, we're going to add this milk into the mixture we have already made. So I'm going to give it a stir, mix it quite well so there are no crystals or no thick lumps into our dish or into our dessert. Just stir for 5 to 8 minutes, and after that our dish is completely ready. So while I'm giving it a stir, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button, and remember to hit the bell icon as well so you're updated with my latest videos. Now I'm going to place the dessert into a representable pot or a dish, and before placing it into a representable pot, I will turn off the flame and let it cool for about 15 minutes. Once it's gonna get cool, we're going to place it into a representable dish, and with that I'm going to garnish it with some dry fruits. I've taken some dates and some pistas. You can also garnish it with raisins and coconuts or whatever you like. So enjoy this recipe and try it at home. Share it with your friends and your family, and try this recipe with them as well, and let me know in the comment down below that if you like this recipe or not. And if you have any queries related to this video, you can ask me in the comment section below as well. And again, remember to subscribe to my channel and enjoy these recipes and get notified with my latest videos. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.